4.3-inch LCD touchscreen. 1-button control. Large capacity water tank for easy installation. Fully automatic freshly ground coffee beans to extract rich and delicate coffee. The milk tank is pulled out and buckled, and it is easy to disassemble. Built-in small refrigerator. Constant temperature refrigerated built-in milk to prolong the preservation time. One-click extraction of various types of coffee to meet various needs. Automatic cleaning system. Removable waste tray for easy and efficient cleaning.